Hello, and welcome to the future of internet marketing. I'd like to show you a piece of software today called Advanced Social Marketer. And we've just made major upgrades to this software. And I want to tell you just really quick. You know, you've probably heard a lot about different posting softwares, posting into Facebook, for instance. And I want you to know right now that this software, yes, it does post into Facebook, but it actually does a lot more than just post into Facebook. It also posts into LinkedIn. But uh, what the main focus of this software is a couple of things that other software just simply don't do. So stay tuned, and I'll show you something that I believe you'll be very excited about. Here inside the Advanced Social Marketer, we have what we call a project names. You can set up whatever marketing campaigns you want by project very quickly and simply. And then we set up our posts related to that project. I have a canine project, so I just labeled mine dog. And I talk about writing an ebook in my post, and I've got a little emoticon there. We do allow a posting of images, just so you know. That's there. You just select the image right here, upload it, and it will go out with your posts. And so this is, I want you to understand that this is just the very, very first thing that this software does. And it does actually many, many things. But so we've got the ability to post in either one or both. I'll just go ahead and click on the one for both. And here we select our projects, and we select our groups associated with the project. And we can select all if we want. I've got, gosh, I don't know, a couple hundred groups here. And we just click Start Posting. And if that's all we want to do is post into groups, then that's, this is where we come, and we just go into the Start Posting. However, the software has a whole different capability here. We have the ability to post to fan pages and groups simultaneously. What we do is we come in here and we just set a search term. I've got restaurant in Sacramento, and I set mine to 200, and I pulled in all of the business pages, the fan pages surrounding restaurants in Sacramento. Now I could have put in, anything, MLM, network marketing, could have put in a Chamber of Commerce, anything that you can envision. You can pull up all of the top, almost all of them. You can post almost all of them, using this technology. You cannot post every single one. Not all of them allow posting, but the vast majority do. We also, if you noticed here, we can actually do multiple accounts with this software as well. And down here, you can select, according to which project you've selected here, you can also select the groups that you want. Kind of like in the last tab, except for now it's going to do both fan pages and groups. So you come in, you scan for the fan pages, pull them up, on select any you don't want, add the groups, hit post, and voila, you can post to hundreds of fan pages and groups simultaneously. Now, just so you know, we have a human emulation system here that creates a random posting time in between X and X minutes that you set down here in the settings so that you don't get in trouble, so you won't get your account restricted. We have suggested settings, and so if you do that as we suggest, you won't get your Facebook account restricted. Just to make sure, some people ask me that. We actually have dozens of people using this already. So it's not it's not a brand new tech for us, but we just did major upgrades. And one of the reasons I'm redoing this promo video is to show you what we have now. So what we've done, one of the things we've added is a scheduler. You can schedule an entire week at a time for posts, making it just an automated process. Um, but perhaps one of the best features of this technology, which is unique to this system, is not just the fan pages or scheduler, which there are of course other softwares that have schedulers for posting for Facebook. But keep in mind, this post to fan pages, also post to LinkedIn, also has a scheduler, also allows the photos, but it also, over and above all of that, it does something very interesting and unique. And this is a very powerful piece of this software, this advanced social marketer. What we have is we have the ability to do comment responding. So this has the world's first comment responder built into it. So when somebody comments on your post, whether it's Facebook or LinkedIn, what the software will do is it tracks that in a database, and then it allows you to take and reply to those comments, which generally goes to that person's inbox. So you create action-taking responses to people's comments. For instance, here's mine. Thank you for your interest in my ebook on extending your dog's life. You can check it out here, and then I've got my link and a little smiley face emoticon, which is always nice to add. And you can set up several of these typically, and you just simply put them in there, and you come in here, and whenever you want to do this, which every day or every other day, you just come in, you select this auto reply right here, and you can just hit this one button, Facebook and LinkedIn. It will go out, it will find all of the posts that have been commented to, and it doesn't do the comment reply over and over. Once it's done it once, then it won't go back and push it again unless that person does another comment. So it tracks all of that. Only does this for new comments, and so it does that auto response reply, which takes away many hours of working in social networking, and does that automatically for you. Just one button, you just hit that button right there, boom, goes, and it does its time sequence and does that comment response from the CAN system here. Again, world's first comment responder, very powerful. It pushes those messages right to those people. And in addition to that, right here, if somebody just likes your post on Facebook, okay, LinkedIn doesn't have that like feature, but for Facebook, if you just, if they just like your post, you can come in here and hit this button, and it will send that reply message back to them from those people that have liked your post. So two very powerful, very unique features. So I just want you to understand that this system here has some unique technologies. Pulling in fan pages, you can actually use that to market locally by pulling up fan pages per city and pushing out messages if you're a local business. Most people don't know you can do that, but you can. Secondly, it will do the not just group posting with photo, but also the fan page posting with photo as well, and do that simultaneously. It just rotates from one to the other, fan page to group. And then the comment response system, which is very powerful. The like response system on Facebook, again, very powerful. We also add some other stuff here, and that is we have the ability to just grab whatever groups are in Facebook or LinkedIn. And LinkedIn, you can only select and join a few every day, up to 50 on a LinkedIn account. But with Facebook, it's completely different. I've got the top 150 real estate groups here, and if I want to join all of them at once, I can just select all and hit this join selected button, and boom, within 24 hours, almost all of those are going to be joined. Now, if you don't want to join some of them, like Real Estate India, I probably wouldn't want to join that, for instance, because I'm not, if I'm a real estate agent, I'm probably not doing anything in India. I can unselect the ones I don't want and hit join selected, and then of course it will only join those that you want. You can do up to 250 groups, okay, on a Facebook account. Here, of course, you can do multiple accounts, and it will just go from one account to the other, posting all day, or in this case all week long. So the strategy typically is to get pull in the groups and pull in the top ones, the largest ones, and join those, and then add anything else to it that you want. So you can do this for anything you can imagine. Again, network marketing, MLM. If you're passionate about gun rights and you want to post something about gun rights, or in my case, I'm doing posting into various dog groups. There's hundreds of those that I've joined, and then I post about my free ebook for canine longevity, and yes, I am able to build a list quickly. So there's many strategies that can be used here. The point is this: marketing is all about frequency and reach. And so your reach is the number of people, of course, that you can communicate with out there. Here, you can communicate with hundreds of thousands of people, and it doesn't cost a penny to do this once you have the software. And frequency, well, every day. You can literally post every day to groups, and you can switch off if you like, but not just groups here. Fan pages, LinkedIn groups, and automatically join those as well. Schedule it out an entire week. Use photos. Do all of these things, and then when people comment, and they will, it'll reach out and push messages to them. This is the advanced social marketer. This is a huge leap in posting capability and marketing socially on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this a quick demo, and we hope to see you on the inside. Yes, we do have an affiliate program. It's a 50-50 split, and we have a lot of people excited in our new technology. Again, thank you for watching.